How to change username in Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the username. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you'll be able to see this profile icon. Tap on this profile icon. Now here on the right top, there's a settings option. Tap on settings. Now we are in this settings interface. Here you'll be able to find an option called profile. Simply tap on profile. So this is the place where you can change your name easily. Here there are two different options of first name and second name. Here you can change it whatever you want to keep it. So here I'm renaming it. After that you can simply go back and the name will be saved too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.